Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
That's loud and I watched it. Like, oh, it's got more. It still sits in the mid-20s. Really? Yeah, 25 to 58. That's fucking nasty. Ready? Let's go see mommy and get them out good. You want to get on this?
Sorry, I'm just recording.
That's why I was opening it up for you.
Oh, thank you very much. All right. So, is these 4 M400? 4,000?
The M4000?
Okay. Are they one half where you wire two
Got
on?
them wired at 1 ohm a piece.
Okay.
On music, it'll clamp about 14,000. Plays 25 to 58.
It's pretty good.
Hey, you want your demo? You can take my envoy, so we'll see.
Yeah, you're good.
Realest nigga in it. Want my motherfucking award.
Nice. You alright? Sorry. This is your build, right?
That's our shop's build, yeah.
It looks really,
okay.
looks really good. So what kind of concept is this with the enclosure? Not, I know this is a 4th order, but is this like what kind of build frame is this?
Mainly, it was the car was originally built for like kick scores. It's about 2.5 dBs higher on the kick.
Okay.
But eventually by the end of the year, we're gonna put some nightshades in it and some salt. Do some Lexan.
Yeah.
It eats windshields now. They last about 2 to 3 weeks right now.
Nice.
Once they get stress fractures.
So this will crack. Can you burp it? Yeah.
Yeah. No, not even burping. It breaks on music too.
Just a bit bad. What is your SPL score on it?
It's 64.7 on the window, 67.59 in the kick.
Nice.
It averages like 160.5, 161, doing like real SPL.
Yeah. And what is your sealed section and ported section size? Or do you know your ratio or anything?
It's right around about 2 to 1.
2 to 1? Okay. Alright. Sorry, I just like to know everything.
So much adjusting, just.
Yeah, I know. I think I can't get out.
Oh, yeah.
I think I'm locked in now.
Yeah, I'll get you out.
It's a little echoey in here. Sounds good. You did a good job.
Oh, yeah, solid. You can set a drink on it and demo.
And well, yeah. Thank you for the demo, man.
I was gonna play the higher notes for you.
Snot out. Woo! I got some snot coming out.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty good, man.
But yeah, the guy that originally built the box
Yeah.
was a guy in Illinois.
Yeah.
Named he's actually a fan of yours. That's where his original concept for the box came. Oh, I know there's smoke rolling out of him. I told you I thought I dropped a coil earlier.
So you're saying you're doing 65s, 64, 65s on around 15 to 16,000 watts plant power?
It's actually more efficient up in that range. It'll do a 150 at right around 77 watts an amp.
Awesome. That's good. You've definitely deadened and done what you can in the front cabin too, so
yeah.
Thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Dave.
Dave. Thanks, Dave. I feel kind of congested. I'm ready to get out. Woo! That's really solid.
Get a couple cab modifications.
Looks good. And it's still drivable, it's just you have to have the seats out for the show. Yeah. I like the 3M tape and all the other DB stuff.